Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get PayPal on your iPhone. First, open the App Store on your device. Search for PayPal and tap Get to download the official app. Once installed, open it. You'll then have the option to either log in with your existing PayPal credentials or create a brand new account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this initial setup, ensuring you use a strong, unique password for security. After setting up your account, the next crucial step is linking a payment method. Navigate to the Wallet section within the app. Here, you can securely add a bank account or a credit or debit card. PayPal will guide you through a quick verification process, often involving small deposits or a one-time password to confirm ownership. This ensures your transactions are secure and your funds are readily available for use. With your payment method linked, you're ready to send and receive money effortlessly. To send, simply tap Send and enter the recipient's email address or phone number, along with the amount. They'll receive the funds almost instantly. To receive money, just provide your PayPal-linked email or phone number to the sender. The funds will appear in your PayPal balance, ready for you to use or transfer to your bank. Finally, PayPal makes shopping incredibly convenient and secure. You can use it for online purchases by selecting PayPal at checkout on millions of websites. For in-store shopping, look for the PayPal QR code option in participating stores. Your transactions are protected by advanced encryption and fraud monitoring, giving you peace of mind. You can also track all your spending and manage your finances directly from the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.